What's up everyone? For today's video, we will learn about linear equations. To start, we must remember that a linear equation is an equation for a straight line and can be written in three primary forms, which are the slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b, m is our slope and b is our y-intercept. Next is in standard form, or ax plus by equals c. And lastly, in point slope form, or y minus y sub 1 equals m times x minus x sub 1. Remember that the formula for the m, or the slope, is rise over run, or we can use the formula y sub 2 minus y sub 1 divided by x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Now let's try solving and graphing linear equations. For our first problem, we will graph the equation y equals 4x minus 3. And as you can see, this is already in the slope-intercept form. From this, we can already see that our slope is 4 and the y-intercept is at 0 and negative 3. So when graphing this, negative 3 is located here. Then using our slope, which is 4, or can also be written as 4 over 1, we can count 4 points upwards from here and 1 point to the right. This means that the next point is at 1, 1. Then we can do that again, and with all the points we got, we can just draw a straight line. So this will be the graph of y equals 4x minus 3. Next, we are given with the equation 2x plus 5y equals 10. We can already tell that it is in standard form. The first thing we'd like to do is to find the x and y intercepts. To find the x-intercept, we substitute the value of y with 0. The same thing when finding the y-intercept, but we'll replace x with 0. So our solution will be 2x plus 5 times 0 equals 10. This will be 2x equals 10. Divide both sides by 2 to cancel the coefficient beside x. Therefore, the x-intercept will be at point 5, 0. Now let's find the y-intercept. So our solution should be 2 times 0 plus 5y equals 10. Divide both sides by 5. We'll have a y-intercept at 0, 2. So when graphing this equation, the first point is at 5, 0 right here, and the next point is at 0, 2 right here. Then just draw a straight line, and this will be the graph of 2x plus 5y equals 10. Our last problem tells us to write the equation of the line passing through the point 2, 1 with the slope of 3/4 and graph the equation. So, the slope is already given, which is 3 over 4. 2 is our x sub 1 and 1 is our y sub 1. We will use the point slope formula since there is a point and the slope in the given problem. So, the solution will be y minus 1 equals 3 over 4 times x minus 2. Then, distributing 3/4 inside the parentheses, adding positive 1 on both sides, we'll have an equation of y equals 3 over 4x minus 1/2. Now with our slope and y-intercept, the graph should look like this. So remember that a linear equation is an equation for a straight line and can be written in three primary forms, which are the slope-intercept form, standard form, and point slope form. Now it's your turn. Try to solve these problems by yourself. Remember to use the formulas I've mentioned earlier. See you next time as Archimedes awaits you. Subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to be updated for our next video.